Here's the problem with affiliate marketing. The way most of you guys are being taught how to do it is very unsustainable and short term. Because in my 8 years of experience of doing affiliate and online marketing, the only things that have stuck with me are my assets and the products that I promote via my assets. So I'm doing online marketing. So any tools that I promote via my brand that are relevant to online marketing are the only tools that are still there that I'm still promoting. Any of the third-party network sites, products that I have promoted, like ClickBank, Max Bounty, Digistore, any of those products that I promoted separately from my brand are no longer there for one reason or another. Whether the product is just no longer there, whether the ads have been disapproved, whether the vendor has certain rules and restrictions that they don't allow a certain way to be promoted, such as Facebook or Google or Microsoft ads and so forth. And so I can still run ads and create sites and landing pages for all these different products. The only thing that had stayed with me for the entire 8 years that has been sustainable and long-term is my channel, my website, and the affiliate products I promote via my brand. So if you're looking for something actually long-term where you're not dependent on somebody else, on another vendor that might block you anytime, or maybe a ad network that might block you anytime, or maybe the vendor just moves on, so on and so forth, then I strongly suggest that you guys build your own asset base. And by asset base, I mean email list, I mean website, I mean YouTube channel, I mean podcast if you want, anything like that that you guys own. I strongly suggest that so that you don't have to be at the mercy of somebody else who will tell you whether you will get paid or not. Again, in the short term, that can work. Absolutely. You can create a review site, a landing page for any product you like. You can make some short-term money. But if you're looking for long-term sustainable, that is not the way to go. So then question is, well, Ivan, okay, so then how do I make money with affiliate marketing that is sustainable? And the answer to that is, first of all, you build your own brand, whether it's a website, YouTube channel, podcast, whatever, and then you ideally promote your own products. If you can do that, that's the best way to go, because not only will it be easy for you to keep track of the whole thing and set up tracking and analytics, and you'll be able to grow your brand even further if you have something of your own. But the better thing is that nobody can take that away from you. That will always be there, and you will be fully in control of your product and of your brand. And by the way, everybody knows something. Before you guys come in here and tell me, well, Ivan, I don't know anything. I can't write a book or make a course or make videos about anything. Yes, you can. Russell Brunson was totally right in his book, I think Expert Secrets or .com Secrets, where he says that everybody has a skill, everybody has a talent. And now I realize how right he was in that you have to utilize that talent and just package it up nicely and sell it. And even if you guys really just don't know anything at all, even if you guys can learn it. How do you think I learned online marketing? I didn't go to school for that at all. I learned it via YouTube videos, via websites, via blogs. I just learned it. You guys can too. You guys can go look at a free video on YouTube about Photoshop and then make a course on Photoshop. Yeah, you guys can do that. Make it in your own words, add some cool information into it, you know, make it nice and presentable, and you can do that. Yeah, absolutely. Learn anything you want, or maybe learn Photoshop and video editing, and then boom, you have a full, complete video production course on A, how to shoot, and then B, how to edit it with Photoshop or Adobe Premiere, whatever it is, right? You get the idea. You guys can do that. So if you really don't know anything, learn. Okay, so that's the longer approach. It's learning and then building your own product. In terms of affiliate marketing itself, what you guys can do is actually, so you would have your own brand, right? And then you make recommendations that are relevant to what it is that you guys are teaching. So again, in my case, online marketing, I'm going to recommend Kartra, for example, which is an all-in-one platform for everything for your business. As much as it sounds like an ad, I'm just giving you an example. Whatever it is that's relevant to your niche, that is what you guys would be doing. And that is how you do affiliate marketing. That is going to be very sustainable and long-term. But hey, if you guys are okay with building out new landing pages and new websites every day and being at the mercy of somebody else, by all means, keep doing exactly what you're doing. But I strongly urge you guys to have your own asset base. Email list as well, by the way, guys. Super, super important. Nobody can take that away from you. Back when I first started and everybody was saying, oh, build an email list, I was saying, oh, too much work. It is. But it's so good in the long term, guys, because nobody can take that list away from you. That list is forever yours. I strongly urge you guys to rethink your approach on affiliate marketing. Instead of having it so short term of, okay, let me go build a landing page and just promote this, think long term. How can you do that same process, build a landing page and send it to an affiliate offer via your own brand, via your own traffic that you own? Again, even if it's an email list, that's fine, that's great. But you gotta have that, guys. Speaking of which, I am working on releasing a membership site, which is gonna be a collection of a bunch of different modules and courses, talking about the A to Z of marketing online. Everything from building a website, website optimization, landing page creation, Facebook ads, Google ads, email marketing, everything you need about email marketing. I'm working on that. If you guys want to get notified when it's out, sign up to my email list, ivanmana.com. I'm going to email everybody when the course is about to be released. Probably give some special discounts for the early birds, and it's going to be amazing. It's going to be a big community of affiliate online marketers all together. It's going to be the complete A to Z guide of everything you guys need to know for affiliate and online marketing. So that being said, I hope that was helpful for you guys. I hope that changed your perspective a little bit in terms of long-term versus short-term. Because the way I looked at it is I thought, okay, I'm going to run these, again, landing pages towards this offer, towards this ClickBank or Digistore offer. Everything's going to be great. It is great. You can make some serious money, but it's very short term. You want something sustainable? Build your own brand. Build your own assets that nobody can take away. All right. With that out of the way, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.